love my new truck. It's so cool. Look at it. It's so cool. Oh, hey, Tommy. What you doing?
What you got there, Johnny?
Oh, just my brand new truck. You like it? What the heck, Tommy?
I don't want that truck, Johnny.
It doesn't matter. That's my truck. Okay. Can't believe him. God dang it. Oh, here it comes.
Hey, Johnny.
Go away.
Why, Johnny?
Because you flipped my truck.
I won't do it again, Johnny. I won't do it again. I promise.
Fine. Let me go get it.
Okay, Johnny.
Here it is. Ugh, Tommy, what the heck? You said that you were going to flip it again.
Well, I lied.
Why would you do that?
I don't know. Ouch.
Well, kids, that's the point of the video. Don't break things that aren't yours.
That isn't yours. That isn't yours.
Yeah.
Because it makes everybody mad.
Uh-huh. So, the next time that you feel like you need to mess with things that aren't yours, think back at this video and go, yeah, maybe I shouldn't do that.